Welcome to Upadhyay IIT classes. I am Professor Kamal Balani. I am teaching physics here for last 2 years. And again in continuation with the JEE main solution, let's start with question number 67th. So here, question number 67th, it was about from modern physics, radioactivity. So basically it was given, initially radioactive nuclei was A and it was converted into nuclei B. And at some time t, the ratio, the number of B to that of A is 0.3. Means B it is left 0.3. That means ki the leftover portion for A is 0.7. So we can make use of the formula n equals to n naught e to the power of minus lambda t. Because here we have to find after time t, B, A converted to B. So how many left for A? It is 0.7. So 0.7 n naught equals to n naught e to the power of minus lambda. As we know that lambda equals to log E2 upon T. So we can put here log E2 upon T into T. And if we will take log both sides, 0.7, it will become minus log E2 upon T, T log EE. And this will become 1. So T we have to find. So we can get here T log E 0.7 upon log E2 minus. And basically because of minus, this quantity it will become log E 10 by 7 upon log E2, and which is approximately log E 1.3 upon log E2. So this was question number 67. Question number 68, basically it was from a portion of electric current, and basically it was based on information only. So as you know that question number 67, which of the following statement is false? So if we go through for all the 4 statements, so out of this we know that in a balanced Wheatstone bridge, if cell and the galvanometer are exchanged, the null point is disturbed. But basically it is not disturbed. So this is the false statement. So you can check it from your theory notebook also, this question. It was based on just conceptual. So now we move to question number 69. 69, it was from electrostatic, that is from capacitor. In capacitor, we have to find effective capacitance of 2 microfarad. And several 1 microfarad capacitors are given, and the battery it is connected, it is 1 kilovolt, and each capacitor cannot withstand with more than 300 volt potential difference. So we have to keep in mind that 1 kilovolt we have to divide among the capacitor in which the potential cannot be more than 300 volt. So this division we can divide like this way. Definitely, there must be 3 capacitors in one row, because if we are taking 3 capacitors and one more condition it is given that potential across each capacitor should not be more than 300 volt, and the battery potential it is 1000 volt. So definitely in one row the capacitor will be more than 3. So that's why more than 3 means we can take 4. So 4 means 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad. Now that condition is also fulfilled because across all the 4 capacitors, since these are in series, the voltage which is it is given here through battery 1000 volt, and now it will be 250 volt. So that condition is also fulfilled. Now second condition we have to fulfill, that is a 2 microfarad capacitor. The resultant will be 2 microfarad capacitor. So here we can get 1 by 4 because since these are in series. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1 by 4, 1 by 4 in parallel. So it will become 1 by 2. So again here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Again 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. And this type of, so altogether 8 rows are required. 8 rows are required 8 rows are required, so that in one row the effective capacitance is 1 by 4. So in altogether 8 rows which are in parallel, it becomes 2 microfarad. So I have completed 3 questions again. Thank you for watching this video at Upadhyay IIT, and best of the luck for JEE Advanced examination.